cast it here?
Well, I'm letting it simmer in the water so you can catch a fish.
I tried doing that, didn't work.
Woo, boys! Woo! Get some! It is the
Weeds! Weed ahoy! There's another one. See, when I get in the zone, I'm in the zone, dude. Oh, he's barely hooked. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, it's an 8-pounder. Minus about 6.5. Yeah, it's pushing 2. Just over 2, I'd say.
So then I caught.
Oh, I got another one.
And mine were probably 2.
You think? Oh, this is a bitch. My coat just got wet and now it's running down my side. Yeah. See, he broke his jaw. Yeah, you see that black? And if you hold it and it's pointy, they broke their jaw and then re-healed. Oh! Oh! See, I told you, this is the spot, is it not? They're sitting right there. Should I grab them for you? The GoPros. 2 in 1, eh? Sorry, I'm trying to... Another female. See the red eyes? Here, I'll let you grab them. It's your fish. I don't want to be James. So. No. 2.5. Pushing 3. I don't know. I always downsize my fish with me. You can ask James or Jen's. I thought I caught a 3, pushing 3, and Jen's like, that's at a 4.25. I was like, oh shit. What's it at now? 2 to 5? This is the spot too, I'm telling you. Shit, look at that! There's a stool of fish sitting right here. You want? Yeah, don't. Yeah, you're gonna break your rod tip, eh? Just saying. I'd watch out. Oh, I had a hit. He's just hooked bad there. He was at 2. Oh no! Oh! Oh! Dude, did you see that? He was right there. Like, don't go any farther. He was literally sitting right here. Really? All on the GoPro. That's 3 fish in 1 video, almost 4. This is the life. I could not think of a better saying, like comeback at that time. But oh, it was too good. Like, what did he even do today? Just worked? Church? Huh. Dude, Marshall's so what? Ooh! That might be that's a carp, I bet. Oh shit. Should I grab it for you? You want me to, or do you want to grab it? Oh, that's a good one. I don't want to be James, that's what I'm asking. Yeah, boys! Oh! Yeah! No, here, should I pop the hood out? Here.